informative, and I'm thankful to ma'am and Adi sir for that.
It was a great lecture.
Very informative lecture.
Got to learn a lot.
Very informative, very interactive. It was a great time.
It was a great lecture, very informative.
It was a good one.
Very amazing lecture.
Amazing.
Session was very insightful.
Thank you, Adi sir and the team, and ma'am, of course, for enlightening us with so much knowledge. Thank you so much.
Got to know a lot of important things. Very interesting.
Thank you, ma'am. Learned a lot.
Thank you for the lecture.
Thank you, ma'am. Very knowledgeable.
It was very informative. It was really comprehensive.
Both informative.
Very well explained. Thank you.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और इन्फॉर्मेटिव था एंड लाइक एज अ काउंसलर पता चला कि एज काउंसलर हमारा क्या रोल है लीगली, हम किस तरह हेल्प कर सकते हैं एक क्लाइंट को. सो इट वाज वेरी नाइस टू हेयर ऑल.
Thanks to ma'am.
It was very different. We had so much to learn about child rights, and which will be useful for our for profession as counselors.
Learned a number of new things which I feel are something very relevant for our practice.
We gain very knowledge from the ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It is very good session for us.
The session was very informative. I got to know very different things which I think as a counselor, as a future counselor in this field, I should know about. Thank you.
So informative. Thank you.
It was very enlightening experience just to learn about all such things, because we never knew. I personally am not from this background, but for me to learn all these things adds great knowledge. Thank you.
It was very informative.